In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Roblox codes. First, open Roblox and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your Robux balance displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, click on Redeem Roblox Codes. This works for all types of codes, including gift card codes, promo codes, and virtual item codes. They all get redeemed in the same place. Once you are on the Redeem page, you will see a box where you can type in your code. Go ahead and enter your code in that box. Make sure you type it in correctly. Before you click Redeem, make sure you check the box to agree to the terms. Once you have done that, click on Redeem. If the code is valid, you will see a message saying the code has been successfully redeemed. The item or Robux will then be added to your account, and you can find it in your inventory. That is it. It only takes about 30 seconds, and it is the same process no matter what type of code you are redeeming. That is how you do it.